The FHIR extension gives you helpful links for working with FHIR across the web. Right now I'm at the patient resource in the current release of FHIR. And sometimes you think, I wonder what this resource looks like in the build version of FHIR, so the upcoming release. And normally you would have to open the URL and change this to build.fhir.org to get to the place where you want. But with the FHIR extension, you just hit Ctrl-Shift-F or Command-Shift-F and the extension opens and you can switch with one click to the build version of FHIR. Or from the build version of FHIR, you might want to switch to the R4 version of FHIR. And again, now we see the patient, what it looks like in the R4 release of FHIR. Similarly, you may want to have a uniform view on this patient and see the XML or the JSON in an easy way. Again, open the FHIR extension. And since it already knows that we are here in the core version of FHIR, we can search within the core version, core package of FHIR. And I'll paste the canonical for the FHIR patient here. And with one click, we're here and have found the right patient resource within the core package of FHIR. And we can see all the different views that we're familiar with from Simplifier. So the different 3D renderings, the XML view, the JSON view, and the detailed view with all the different descriptions of the different elements within FHIR.